अगर मैं बोलूंगा कि मैं बिल्कुल भी अलग हूँ, बिल्कुल ही अलग हूँ, तो मैं झूठ बोलूंगा। वो इतना एम्बिशियस है। आई मीन रोहन resembles the major chunk of the youngsters these days because everyone is so ambitious, everyone is in this cat race कि सब कुछ अचीव करना है।
well, ये शो बहुत जल्द ऑन एयर जाने वाला है, लेकिन उससे पहले हम जानेंगे अक्षय मात्रे से उनके किरदार के बारे में, क्या रही उनकी स्ट्रगल्स, कैसा रहा हमारे ये दो लीड एक्टर्स के साथ इतने दिग्गज नोन एक्टर्स के साथ शूट करने का एक्सपीरियंस एंड बहुत सारी फन एंड मस्ती सेट्स के बारे में। सो आइए चलिए स्वागत करते हैं अक्षय मात्रे का।
How are you, by the way? How is the lockdown treating you?
Lockdown is treating me absolutely fine. I'm glad finally the shoot has begun and I'm back to work. So now it feels way better. Yeah.
I can understand. Even I am desperately waiting कि कब सेट्स पे हमारी परमिशंस अलाउ हो जाए ताकि हम लोग आके देख सकें कि वहाँ पे शूटिंग कैसे चल रही है।
Yeah. It's fun. ये अलग ही experience होगा देखने अभी शूटिंग का।
But then how is it like working with such senior actors, such well-known faces जिनको इतना experience है काम का, कैसा feeling है?
It is amazing because especially like my mom and dad, okay, both of them, they're such fabulous talents and उनके साथ इतना मजा आता है because they work with such ease, okay, and उनसे काफी कुछ सीखने के लिए है and on screen, off screen, they are like such wonderful people to work with and it's a new learning for me every day. So it's real fun for me, yeah.
Okay, tell me one thing very honestly, because I have met your mom, like the on-screen mother, and I know how she is. Like she's like somebody who wouldn't know her will think that she's very professional on-screen and off-screen both. But I feel she has a childish side to her that comes out.
Absolutely, and that is what is like that thing like in her individually, okay, is coming out on screen so beautifully for like the role of Kaku. Because Kaku is very much like that. She is very like childishly a bit naughty. She is very sweet, very bubbly, very full of like she's completely full of life and a few resemblances out there. That's fun.
But then if I'll ask you how similar or how different are you to your on-screen character, तो क्या कहेंगे आप?
अगर मैं बोलूँगा कि मैं बिल्कुल ही अलग हूँ, तो मैं झूठ बोलूँगा। तो मैं the thing is कि definitely Rohan is like a bit more snappy, a bit more aggressive. वो अपना रास्ता completely खो चुका है. But the thing is कि वो इतना ambitious है. I mean, Rohan resembles the major chunk of the youngsters these days because everyone is so ambitious. Everyone is in this cat race कि सब कुछ achieve करना है. They want to like उनके खुद के ambitions इतने ज़्यादा होते हैं ना कि कभी-कभी जब वो पूरे नहीं होते वो खुद इतने disappoint हो जाते हैं. And something like that, this is Rohan's character, and at the same time उसका pride इतना ज़्यादा है कि उसे अपने parents से help मांगने में बहुत झिझक होती है. झिझक in the sense कि वो for like nowadays like any one of us, we feel that यार ये चीजें मामा नहीं समझेंगे. This is beyond them. Like ठीक है, छोटी मोटी चीजें मैं बता दूं, बट ये चीज यार, ये काम का प्रेशर, ये है सब ऐसे कहाँ उन्हें नहीं समझ में आएगा. They won't understand. और यही हम गलत हो जाते हैं. Like this is like for me, if I speak, if I know if I'm in some crisis, I would definitely call up my mom and dad, unlike Rohan. So yeah, in few ways, we don't like, for instance, like I don't mean to be rude to my parents, but at times, like for example, if I'm caught up with some work, if I'm in a short or something, and if I keep getting calls from them, I'll be like, मम्मी क्या है, मैं काम में बिजी हूँ, मैं बाद में कॉल करता हूँ. मैं फोन रख दूंगा और मैं शायद अपने काम की मैं भूल जाऊँ, मुझे याद नहीं होगा. वो नेक्स्ट डे फिर कॉल करेगी कि तूने कॉल नहीं किया, and I'm like, अरे हाँ सॉरी, भूल गया था. So these are very small things. You don't realize it. And to be very frank, जब मैंने ये शो करना शुरू किया, and especially when we start shooting for the scene, there are so many scenes in it that you actually can relate to. You actually feel guilty at times, and you actually feel like अब पता चल रहा है. And जैसे मुझे फील होता है कभी-कभी ऐसे, अगर हैंडफुल ऑफ लोगों को भी ये शो देख के अपने माँ से बात करने का मन करे, उन्हें कॉल करके थैंक यू बोलने का मन करे, तो इट बी लाइक अ ग्रेट थिंग फॉर अस.
But then was this one of the main reasons for you to say yes for the show, कि आप एक तरीके से अपनी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी वहां जाके जिएंगे कहीं ना कहीं?
No, definitely not, because I feel Akshay and Rohan में similarities थोड़े हो सकते हैं, but ये दोनों बहुत ही अलग characters हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ये है. And to be very frank, it was and it's still quite a challenge for me to play Rohan, because ये जितना ही simple sound करता है, ये इतना ही multi-layered character है. Because there are so many conflicts going in his life कि वो बोले जितना real character होता है ना, उसे play करना उतना ही difficult होता है. And it's a fun challenge for me, because every day I go on the set and it's something new that I'm learning, and it's a great experience until now, and I'm very sure as the days go ahead, it's going to just keep getting better.
Okay, how are I don't need to know how they are, because I know what kind of actors हमारे lead हैं, आपके माँ बाप हैं, लेकिन उनसे कुछ अभी तक कुछ खास सीखने को मिला है आपको? I'm sure काफी कम दिन हुए हैं शूट करते हुए, but still.
Exactly, काफी कम दिन हुए, but even the smallest things, like कैसे होता है कि अभी for example, if there's a certain emotion, a certain thing that I have to deliver, मैंने अगर एक take दिया, दो take हुआ, I feel कि यार मतलब कुछ तो सही नहीं हो रहा है, this I can do something like in some other way. They like, even I don't even need to ask them, they are very much there for me, okay, to give me suggestions, to give me advices. And yeah, like for example, smallest things कि like हाँ बस हाथ यहाँ से यहाँ कर लेना, देख हो जाएगा. And when I do it, I'm like हाँ मतलब yeah, see, that is what experience teaches you, and working with such people, you like there's so much to take from. And yeah, so I think this is just the beginning, and there's way much more to learn from them.
Okay, sets पे कैसा माहौल रहता है आप लोगों का? Like on screen जब हम देख रहे हैं वो अलग है, but scene roll करने के बाद कैसा माहौल है sets पे?
It's pretty much the same actually. जैसे in the sense कि I am like my dad, like Nitesh ji, मेरी सुचिता जी, really fun people to be with, really fun people to just like talk with, just have a small chat with. And so yeah, I really enjoy both the parts of it, and all the other co-actors as well. So yeah, that's fun.
Well, thank you so much guys for watching this fun session with me, Vishakha Pandit, and that was Akshay Matre for you. Do stay tuned to Telechakkar for more updates, and वापस आना ना भूलिएगा एक और fun chat session के लिए. All about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.